Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRZT. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times. I did it on Friday, so that's where the red line and green line annotations are coming from. And I start off with those just because it's looking like the price wants to just start to kind of channel and go sideways for a while. And if that is indeed the case, then the red line and green line here are going to be, those two key primary levels, it appears, based off the past history. They're going to help us kind of gauge the health or lack thereof of the channel. So a healthy channel would be, well, the price stays inside of it and just kind of bounces around and then eventually, breaks to the upside. The upside being at 0032. So 0032 is the value of that red line there, and what would be considered, the top of the channel, the resistance portion of it, whatever terminology you want to use. The other bit of terminology would be, the bottom portion of the channel, or AKA the support portion. And that's where that green line comes into play down there. And that is valued at 002. So 002 bottom of the channel, 0032 top of the channel. And really until something happens, there's not a whole lot that can be said from a bigger picture perspective. What do I mean by something happening? Well, simply put, either a breakout, which would be, the bulls breaking to the upside of 0032, or breakdown, which would be the bears breaking to the downside of the 002 mark. But until then, not much to say. Now, sure, if you are, a flipper and you like to just, play the range like this, well, then, yeah, it's like a nice little playground for you in here. But as far as the big picture, quote-unquote, story is concerned, and from a presentation standpoint, not a whole lot to say until something does indeed happen. So, again, something happening being defined as the breakout to the upside of the channel at 0032 or breakdown to the downside of the channel at 002. So until then, it's kind of a grab your popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and just have to sit back and see which direction the price ultimately decides to head. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.